Hello, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Welcome to Free Business Effective Courses from the teachings of multi-millionaires. We now proceed to Session 3. Session 3, first point is outsource cheaply. If there is something you cannot do and need someone to do it, you need to outsource cheaply. You can find a student or students for work or use online sites like Fiverr. Ideally, you need an individual. Never, if you can afford it, hire another company to do your work. Next point is, you cannot screw up if you do not spend money. 99% of businesses fail because they spent cash and the business lost it. If you do not spend money initially, it is very difficult to fail as a business in the short term. Be careful and think whether you need to spend money or not. If you decide to spend money, you have to make sure it makes you more money. And that, folks, is the end of this session 3. See you, folks, in the next session. Thank you and goodbye. Thank you.